How to set the app limit on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set app limits on Android so you can stay focused, reduce screen time, or manage your kids' phone uses. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And once you are inside the settings app, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Now here in this section, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as App Limits. And here you'll see list of apps. So just tap on the apps that you want to put the limit, and once you have selected it on the new page, simply scroll down and tap on App Timer. Now you can choose how long you want to use the app each day, like 30 minutes, 1 hour, 10 minutes, and even 0 minute if you want to put full restriction on that app. And after that, you can just tap on OK, and that's it. That's how you can limit the app on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.